The High Court will on Friday rule whether to refer Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua's impeachment challenge to the Chief Justice for the appointment of a multi-judge bench. Gachagua's legal team, led by Senior Counsel Paul Muite, argues that the case raises significant constitutional issues as it is the first time involving a Deputy President's impeachment. Now, the Deputy President's legal team says there is need for proof of gross constitutional violations. However, the National Assembly's lawyers contend the matter can be resolved without empaneling additional judges. Let's get more from our very own Willie Lusige.
181.
A day after 282 members of parliament voted in favor of Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua's impeachment, surpassing the constitutional requirement of 233 votes, his defense team carried on with a push in court to block his ouster. Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua's lead counsel, Paul Muite, called for the case to be referred to the Chief Justice Martha Koome to appoint a 3-judge bench, citing the need for a thorough review of the public participation and impeachment procedures.
When giving directions to accede to our request for this matter to be taken to the Chief Justice.
Gachagua's legal team highlighted that the impeachment procedures differ between the President, Deputy President and governors, stressing the lack of proper public participation, which they argue was rushed and unfair.
How do you conduct civic education and take to the voters only one side of the matter, the allegations, before you give the subject of impeachment the opportunity to state? Then you take both the allegations and the answer to the citizens so that they can make an informed decision.
They insisted that the DP should have been allowed to respond to the allegations in Parliament before public participation took place. Gachagua claimed the public's input was sought prematurely, infringing on his right to defend himself before Kenyans made their judgment.
On the basis, Your Lordship, is that the National Assembly is now functus official. The petitions before you, Your Lordship, seeks to interrogate the conduct of that organ that is now functus official.
You've been told the issues we raised have been overtaken by events. But Lord, anything done contrary to the Constitution is a nullity if the court agrees.
The National Assembly lawyers told the court that the Senate is now seized of the matter and the court's involvement is unnecessary as the legal challenge had been launched when the matter was in the National Assembly. They believe the DP's claim have been overtaken by events as the impeachment vote was carried out properly.
We therefore respectfully submit that there is no jurisdiction for you to transfer the files to the presiding judge.
The Law Society of Kenya, LSK, has been enjoined in the case as 22 petitions across the country challenge the impeachment. These include 5 petitions that were presented before Justice Lawrence Mugambi, with others before Justice Chacha Mwita. Among the petitioners is Nicholas Mweu, who contests the legitimacy of the process.
What I can do is I will go and write a ruling.
Yes.
What if you come on Friday morning?
The National Assembly and the Senate are also parties in the various legal challenges. One petition that had challenged the public participation process was withdrawn on Wednesday, with the petitioners saying it had been overtaken by events. Willie Lusige, Citizen TV.